If we're asked to solve a quadratic and to give our answer in the form of p plus or minus root q over 2, therefore we know the quadratic cannot be factorised. Therefore I must use the quadratic formula or complete the square. To apply the quadratic formula, my quadratic first of all must resemble the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it does not, my first step would be to rearrange. As my quadratic resembles the correct form, I can simply now read off my values for a, b and c. Here the value of a is the number in front of the x squared term. In this case a is positive 2. My value for b is the number in front of the single letter of x. In this case b equals negative 10. We must take the sign. And our value for c is our number term. And again we must take the sign. In this case c is positive 5. Writing down the quadratic formula, I know that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Although in reality, every time I see b, I should think of the word brackets, as this way I'll never go wrong in my exam. Leaving the negative outside, I place my value of b in brackets. In this case, my value of b is negative 10. I leave the plus or minus outside. I then have the square root of b in brackets squared. My value for b is negative 10. So in brackets, I write negative 10 in brackets, and the power, the squared is always outside. Minus 4ac in algebra means minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. Hence I have minus 4 multiplied by a in this case, which is 2, multiplied by c, which in this case is 5. And it's all divided by 2a. And 2a in algebra means 2 multiplied by a. In this case, 2 multiplied by a, which in this case is also 2. I know a negative and negative makes a positive. So here I've got positive 10. Leave the plus or minus outside the root. Inside the root, I know negative 10 squared means negative 10 multiplied by itself. And negative 10 times negative 10 gives us 100. I know negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And negative 8 times 5 will give us negative 40. And it's still all over 2 times 2, which is 4. Simplifying inside my root, I know that 100 subtract 40 gives us 60. And the bottom I've still got 4. Simplifying my root, I want to find the largest square number that's a factor of 60. The largest square number that's a factor of 60 is 4. Hence I'm going to rewrite root 60 as being root. And on the inside I'm going to have 4 times 15. And it's still all over 4. Leaving the 10 on the outside, I know the square of 4 is 2. Hence I've got 2 on the outside. And on the inside I've still got root 15. And it's still all over 4. As all three terms are divisible by 2, I can simplify my answer. Well, 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. 2 root 15 divided by 2, the 2's will cancel. So leave us just with plus or minus root 15 on the top. And the bottom 4 divided by 2 gives us 2.